We've got a full house here. We've got Indians everywhere. We got a CVO inside, but today we're gonna be discussing this 21 Indian Challenger Dark Horse in for a 4-speaker audio build. Audio build. This is gonna be the identical setup that we did in the 21 Dark Horse that was in that titanium smoke color. So all the equipment again is going up in the fairing, our amp and our DSP. Up in the fairing, we're gonna do our Cicada audio compression horn coaxes, and we have the OEM lids. We're going with the Cicada audio coax speakers in the rear. Let's give you a little quick walk around of this bike, and then we need to get inside because Bill is ready to go. Again, this is a 2021 Indian Challenger Dark Horse. He's got some cool little accessories on. He's got the fog lights, some sweet TLC crash bars there. I think those are, I don't remember what brand those are, but he's got different brake and shift levers, grips, some bars, OEM lids. We've already set one on here because we were curious how much room we would lose here. So let's go ahead and get this in there and get the install going. We just wrapped up another beautiful Indian Challenger. I think most of ours have been Dark Horses. I don't know what it is, but I guess our Dark Horse customers love audio. So this one again is very similar to the one you saw us do on the titanium smoke. We got our CHs in the fairing, CXs in the OEM lids that he got from us. We pre-modified them, got it all loaded up so he can get it in and out in just a couple of days. I think it sounds absolutely amazing. You've heard it in our past one, so we're not going to bore you with that part of it, but I want to get the customer's opinion on what he thought about the going back and forth with the ordering everything and then the install process of it.
Super easy. Couldn't have been a better experience. Brandon handled everything. I mean, dropped it off, the turnaround, the communication, second to none. Awesome experience.
Awesome. You're happy with the audio from your 50 watts?
Game changer.
Perfect. Well, hopefully his wife feels the same, as I know he had the same issue I've had in the past with my fiance, that when they're sitting in the back, like, I can't hear anything. So we put a lot louder speakers so they'll both be able to enjoy it with half helmets, no helmets, full face. They'll be fine. So we're going to let him get loaded up, get out of here, and we're going to wrap this up. I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio. If you're looking for the best aftermarket audio for your Indian motorcycle, make sure you check us out here in beautiful Panama City, Florida.